Hi guys, Paul and Ryan here, PA Outdoors couple. We're in Columbia County. We're at the Judd Christian covered bridge, bridge number 95, built in 1876 by William Manning for 239 American dollars. This is a queen truss style. As you can see, the queen truss style bridge, other than the burl truss or double burl truss bridges. This is 60 feet long. Right now Ryan's checking out the underbelly. And we had a good chance to get a video of Marge going over it. We're gonna hop over here. Probably should edit that out, but whatever. This is a stocked area. There's raccoon tracks here, if you're ever concerned what a raccoon track looks like. There you go. These are stocked trout waters here. This is Little Fishing Creek. And no metal. We're happy you guys have enjoyed some of the shorts that we've been posting. We did get a request for longer videos, so we're going to be doing some real videos here again. Give you guys what you want, so thanks for the input. It really helps out a lot. Sometimes the shorts are just kind of easy and fun to pop up, especially when we look through these. This is all we do a lot, is come down to these creeks and kind of just look through the rocks and stuff. And it takes a little time sometimes, but you can find really cool fossils from the Devonian and Silurian period in Pennsylvania, because at that point in time the Pennsylvania was still covered by a lowland sea, and then in the Devonian it kind of the Carboniferous period rather, it kind of subsided into just swampland. So I am not very educated on things of that nature, but from that is what I know, or think I know, you know. We're doing a little creek walk too. I didn't expect to do that, but that's okay. Nothing's catching my eye right now, but we just started on a big trip. We're going to go up to Honesdale, Milford area, Lake Wallenpaupack. We're going to go enjoy all that stuff. So this is the first step on hopefully a great weekend together. So I guess we'll say it from here. This is Paul and Ryan, PA Outdoors couple. We're going to link some other stuff in at the end of the video, so just stick around. And remember to get outdoors. Cheers.